Unlock the secret to breathtaking web animations by integrating GSAP directly into your Webflow projects. Forget complex setups. We'll simplify the process of bringing GSAP's powerful animation capabilities into your visually-driven Webflow designs. First, you'll need to link the GSAP library to your Webflow project. Navigate to your site's custom code settings within Webflow here. You'll add the necessary CD and links for GSAP in the head code section. This makes the GSAP library accessible to your entire project. Next, identify the specific elements you want to animate in Webflow. Give each of these elements a unique ID. This ID will serve as the target for your GSAP animations. Now, let's bring in the animation logic. Go back to your custom code settings, but this time locate the before body tag section. This is where you'll write your GSAP animation script. Within this script area, you'll define your GSAP tweens. A tween tells an element what to do: move, scale, rotate, change opacity, or even create complex sequences. Think about the exact effect you want to achieve. By referencing the unique IDs you set earlier, you can precisely control how and when your elements animate. This allows for incredibly detailed and synchronized movements that dramatically enhance user engagement. Once your GSAP script is in place and your Webflow design elements are properly identified, simply publish your site. You'll instantly see your dynamic, powered animations come to life. This method empowers you to craft captivating, high-performance web experiences that move beyond static design, giving your Webflow projects that professional, polished edge.